Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Robert. We got a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder here. We're going to change this caliper that's sticking. We also done changed the wheel hub bearing assembly here. Brakes is wore out, rotor's pretty bad shape, so we've got, like we said, we done changed this wheel hub assembly. Definitely better than the other one. The other one was making some pretty wild noise. Here we have the rotor and the brake pads. We're going to be swapping out. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Okay, so as you can tell here, we've already got the rotor popped on here. We've got the caliper. I went ahead and anti-seized these here caliper bracket bolts because they were pretty tough coming off. Let's go ahead and fold the caliper back here. We got the caliper folded back. We've got the clips inserted here that the brake pads will sit in. We're going to put a little grease on those babies. Got the brake pads in, got them all greased up now. Really coming together here, looking pretty good. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and also we went ahead and bled the brakes. There's a little screw back here with a boot on it. You just take the boot off and take them, turn it out a little bit, have someone push the brake and tighten it back down until you bleed all the air out. Alright, so we got everything back together. Let's go ahead and give it a couple of spins here. Everything's good and free, sounds good, feels good. I would say that's a job well done. Alright guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Like, subscribe if you haven't already for more videos. Catch you later.